Hello everybody. Today I want to talk about clipart library. Artcam has an option. You can save your flowers or leaves in the Artcam and next time when you need it you can use it. I designed some flower and leaves here and I always use this flower in my design. Suppose you want to design something like this. The leaves in the center and leaves in the right and left. First, you need something in the center, something like this. A little small, and need something to the left and right. I will choose flower like this. Sometimes it can't show, but when we use envelope option, it will show. I can use this flower here. Make it a little bigger. This area is empty. I can use small leaves here. I need some small leaf. Maybe this. Okay, it's finished. I'll enter here, delete this area. And paste all. Use mirror option, mirror left over right. Okay, so we can use something for here. It looks like need something at the bottom of design. I'll go to the center and choose center design. I think this one is proper, a little bigger. I can envelope, finish, enter, then right over left. It's done. As you can see, this clipart library is not enough to design big projects, but you can mix them with your design wherever you need, wherever you want. I will show another example. let's choose something like this. Need to envelope it to make it visible. And another flower here. Again, need to envelope to deform it. And I will select flower, I think rose is beautiful. Okay, again I'll choose again leaves. Doesn't look good. Maybe this one. You can paste all. It's done. Here is about 500 real-life library, and I use them in my daily works. Leaves big, leaves small, flower, center, and angel, number 6, angels, and animal. The most common using 3D model, I saved all of them here. You can add new models here, or you can delete or edit them. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.